I'm the new maid, sir.
Dr. Quimper, you get used to seeing me here. Alexander, I suppose.
Yes, I'm afraid so.
Well, Mr. Ackenthorpe will be expecting me.
Oh, yes. I'll show you up.
Oh, that won't be...
You're Dr.
Where on earth are my confounded matches?
Oh, it's you.
Good morning.
Morning. What are you doing in here? Snooping, I suppose. Where are my matches?
If you're going to smoke, we'd better have some windows open. I'm a great believer in fresh air. Aren't you, Doctor?
Why, yes, I am, Miss...
Marple, her name. Marble, her nature. That's right. Let her give me double pneumonia. You can't kill me off one way, you'll kill me off another.
Nonsense. You're going to live to be 100 in spite of anything I can do.
Well, in that case, tell that woman to stop opening windows and to light my cheroot.
Is there any chance that will send him to sleep, Doctor?
I'm afraid it's a stimulant. Roll over.
Oh, dear.
Hold it closer, woman.
Oh! Oh!
Your hometown lost a good horse, Doctor, when you left, Quimper.
Matter of fact, I was very bad with the horses. How'd the birthday party go? All the family get down all right?
Of course they did. They had a whole weekend of it. Free board and lodging from Friday night.
Friday.
What's that to do with you?
Oh, nothing. It just happened to be an interesting day for me, too. How old were you, Mr. Ackenthorpe?
Mind your business. Anyhow, it was a miserable weekend. And I hope it'll be a long time before I have to put up with a whole pack of them again.
Not a very nice way to talk about one's family.
Not a very nice family. And you know what that overgrown beatnik Cedric did? Told Emma right in front of my eyes she ought to get out of here. Get married or something. Trying to make her as selfish as he is.
Oh, I don't know. If Emma did marry, it wouldn't be such a bad thing.
Oh, Father, I thought I'd tell you I'm just going into town.
I'll be leaving in a moment. Can I give you a lift?
What do you want to go into town for? Can't she go for whatever it is?
Well, it's tradesmen, Father. A few bills to pay.
Oh, money. Oh, that's a different thing. Can't trust anybody these days. All right, off you go.
In that case, may I be of service?
Oh, thank you.
Of course you can, Quimper. Save the price of a taxi. Pay you enough as it is.
It'll be on your bill. Are you ready now?
Only my coat.
Good. Friday, then, Miss Ackenthorpe. Good day, Miss Marple.
Good day, Doctor.
If you don't shut those windows, you'll be fired.
In that case, I shall require 4 weeks' wages in lieu of notice.
Get out of my sight, woman!
With pleasure.